Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach us another important, amazing thing. A lot of people has been coming to my DM asking how they can actually create video using GROK AI, how they can actually convert any image into a video using GROK AI. And today I am going to teach you on how to do that. So if you're seeing this video, that means you actually seeking for how to do it. So I'm going to teach you right there and we are going to get started. So first of all, we need to download the GROK AI application. So if you're using an iPhone like me, you can move on to App Store. You can actually do that. Go to your Play Store and just download GROK AI. So on my iPhone, just click on GROK AI and then search for it. Now, because I already have it installed on my iPhone, I'm going to just click on Open. So now it's going to power on GROK AI. So while in GROK AI right now, what you're going to do now is, one of the things about GROK AI is that it has special feature, and I'm going to let you know about that. So now you move on to the create video session. Click on the create video. After clicking on the create video, you can see a lot of, you have to see, the first option you are seeing here is animate your photos. You have create from templates. You have add girlfriend, thumbnails up, thumb up, money rain, and different. So all these are templates you can actually choose from. So because we want to create from image, you click on animate your photos. So click on image. So now you're going to select the image we want. Now let's say we want this image. Now let's select this. All right. Now we are going to write a prompt. Let's say make him laugh and walk away. All right. Make him laugh and walk away. Then you click on OK. So click on make him laugh and walk away. So now, let's wait. While we wait for our video to be ready, there's something I want to say. One thing I so much love about GROK AI is that its ability to generate lip sync. It can generate audio. Most of the AI features doesn't generate audio. So GROK AI make it possible to generate audio, lip sync, and everything. So, wow, guys, as you can see, this is amazing. This is beautiful. So, wow. All right, so this is what you can actually do. You can see the lip sync and everything is being generated. So you can actually do this to convert any image into a video. Very simple. All you have to do is just download it, click on the download button, and you are good to go. It's very simple. As Kuli and Gary, thank you so much. If you watch this point and this blesses you or you like this, please do give a thumb up and share, or drop a comment if you have any question. See you next time. Bye bye.